On the 23rd of July 2025, an inspiring event unfolded at College Matrikulasi Kedah. It was not merely another day on the calendar. It marked a significant journey toward professional growth and collaboration among educators. As participants arrived, excited chatter filled the air, and the smiles exchanged spoke volumes about the collective purpose that united them all in this momentous occasion. The day began with participants greeting one another, fostering an atmosphere of warmth and camaraderie. Their smiles illuminated the path ahead, embodying a shared commitment to elevate their teaching. The opening words from the director resonated deeply, centering their mission on empowering students through enhanced teaching methods. It was a call to action, reminding all involved that each teaching moment carries the potential for monumental impact. As the workshops commenced, participants eagerly embraced the knowledge being shared. They delved into the intricacies of core documents, exploring lesson plans that breathe life into language learning. Each session served as a catalyst, igniting inspiration and reflection, encouraging educators to envision transformed learning experiences. This was not just an exploration of academic theory. It became a shared journey toward excellence, where ideas flowed freely and creativity blossomed. The concept of writing smart objectives turned into a powerful mindset. Clear and measurable goals emerged, shaping the foundation for impactful learning experiences. Participants worked diligently in pairs and groups, nurturing a rich environment of collaboration. Each new objective crafted took them one step closer to igniting a passion for learning that goes beyond the classroom walls. In the action-oriented approach, AOA sessions, the distinction of assessment began to shift from mere testing toward authentic engagement. Educators discovered how real-world communication could enrich their teaching practices, transforming traditional methods into dynamic experiences for students. Conversations ignited around the table, each one a spark of innovation and transformation. As the afternoon unfolded, enthusiasm was palpable. Participants embraced the revitalization of lesson plans, infusing them with differentiation, constructive feedback, and bursts of creativity. The buzz of brainstorming filled the room as every table radiated purpose and a shared sense of possibility. As the day drew to a close, reflections brought forth an enlightening realization. Every participant had grown both individually and collectively. They had come together not only as educators but as agents of change, united in their mission to foster a brighter future for their students. This workshop was much more than an event. It was a pivotal moment, revitalizing their commitment to teaching and learning.